And we're back. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing. This is the Allure Beauty box from the month of August. Catching up, trying to get them in within a reasonable amount of time. So if you don't know what the Allure Beauty box is, it is a beauty box subscription where they send you full size and sample size products for a subscription price. So I pay around $27. Not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored, by the way. I pay around $27 from my box each month, and it brings me some goodies. Some things I've actually really liked. So what I've used, I think oh my gosh, I just did an empties video where I talked about this product here. I got this in another box and it's empty. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and we're just gonna grab. I don't want to drop this. Okay, if I get lipstick on my teeth, would you guys tell me if I did? Ooh, this is chunky. Not chunky. What's this? Oh, it's upside down. What are you? From Fresh, black tea, advanced age renewal eye cream. I love an eye cream. I want to put this on the shelf of the others. Ooh, this box package is great. Is gorgeous. I made a whiff. Black tea. I think it's gonna smell like black tea. Oh, it smells really nice. Don't know if I'm getting black tea from it. That is a dense eye cream. Very excited for it. That's gonna be yes for me. This is like, that's like a pudding. It's like cooling. It's like cooling, I feel. Oh, it's a yes for me. It's a yes. But y'all knew that. This is going on the display. Y'all knew that already. I looked a little bit. I saw something. I don't know if but I saw something. What's this? I'm gonna guess this is makeup. Just kidding, it's not makeup. I knew that. This is a green tea seed hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, we're getting quite a bit of tea in this. It's a trend. This is by Innisfree. Let me get a look at her. Oh, interesting. Interesting little package here. I wasn't planning on trying. Ooh, it's like a gel. I wasn't planning on trying them all out. Oop, how am I just missing it? Ooh, it's like, oop, I hit my nose. Oh, it's okay. It almost feels like a watery serum. I'll take it. More skincare, why not? That's gonna be yes for me. I looked again, I'm sorry, guys. Let me go to the other side. Okay, this is makeup. This is makeup for sure. This is the, oh, Tower 28. Okay, Tower 28, what are you? Tinted lip balm. How did they know I like that one? So this is what the packaging looks like, and that's interesting. I wasn't expecting it to look like that. Let's see. That's pretty. It's really pretty. A little bit of a different, oh, that's pretty close in color. It's pretty. Picking up the light beautifully. That's gonna be a yes from me. It says that it had, is it shea butter? It has shea butter and cocoa butter. I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what that does and how it's beneficial. Okay, it's gonna be yes for me. I've looked at this thing twice now. I'm gonna grab it. What is it? Oh, this is, I've seen this brand in here before, I think. It's a pearlescent taupe cream highlighter. I don't know how I feel about highlighters in really any form except powder. I say that there are some liquid highlighters that I'm learning to love, but I've had to kind of learn to love them a little bit. The one in another video that I talked about by Say, that I believe I finished the minis like twice, but the Gaga the Goop, I wasn't necessarily using that as a highlighter all the time, at least not with makeup, because sometimes these kinds of highlighters can get snuffed out by makeup, or it'll look like a little clunky underneath makeup or on top of makeup. So I'm a little hesitant. Don't know how I feel about this tone either. And I know, and you know what? It might also be me and like creamy products. I don't like creamy products like that. It's not bad. I'd have to try it out for me to be like, yes. Like, I'd have to try it under makeup or on top of makeup. So I'm gonna say a maybe for that one. I don't want to pick that one because is that the last one? It's not. What's this? Bloom Buzz Power Patches for Acne Prone Skin. I'll be honest, guys, I don't use pimple patches. I don't deal with a whole lot of acne. That's gonna be a no for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this though. I have other ones that I thought maybe I'd try one day, but if they keep collecting, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with them. This one I'll look at twice. Look at it twice. Oh, this is exciting. Okay. Oh, there's another one. No, it's not. Just kidding. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I want to use this right now. I have heard so much about doggone Glow Recipe and this doggone watermelon scent craze that's been going on, and I have been wanting in on it for a little while now. Have I had anything from Glow Recipe with watermelon scent? I don't know that I have. Oh, I did. I had their sunscreen, but I have been meaning to look into it more because I hear their serum been great. This is a toner, but I'll gladly take this. I'm actually really excited about it. This is heavy too, by the way. Oh, and the bottle is cute. Yeah, hearing people talk about Glow Recipe and stuff, I've wanted to be a Glow Recipe girl. What's that called? When you feel like you're being like left out of something. What's that? Whatever that is. It's how I've been feeling. So definitely excited to add something else from Glow Recipe to my vanity. Again, I do have that sunscreen, which I like, and I love that watermelon scent. Eventually I'm gonna. Oh, you know what? The glow drops. That's what it was. I've eyed them a couple times. Haven't bought them yet. Eventually I'm gonna probably break down and get it. I just don't know when. Very excited though to try something else from Glow Recipe. Yeah, that's gonna be a yes for me. Here, that was the end of the box. There wasn't a whole lot in here. I did get some things that I'm excited for though. That fresh black tea advanced age renewal eye cream, the Glow Recipe toner, the Tower 28 lip balm. I'm actually pretty excited for. Yeah. If you have tried any of these products, please let me know. Let me know if you like them or not. And let me know what you think of this box. I don't think it's bad. Have an amazing morning, evening, night, wherever you are, and I'll catch you all next time.